Hi student, let's see the question. Difference between MCB and fuse. What is fuse? It is a older technology. Fuse is based on older technology, and MCB it is a new technology. It cannot be reused. Fuse cannot be reused, and this can be reused. MCB can be reused. It is now not used. Nowadays fuse is not used. It is used in the home. MCB is not used. It work on principle of heating effect of electric current. It works on principle of magnetic effect of electric current. So keep in mind that MCB is based on magnetic effect of electric current. Magnetic effect of electric current. And white fuse, it works on the principle of heating effect of electric current. It cannot be reused again. It can be reused again and again. Thank you.